In this video, I will show you how to add drop-down menu in Google Sheets. So let's get started with the video. In Google Sheet, first we need to select the cell we want to add the drop-down menu. Next, we need to select the Data tab in the top menu bar. And again, we need to select Data Validation in this list of options, which will open Data Validation panel in the right side of the screen. We need to click this Add Rule button. And again, we need to select Drop Down under Criteria in this list of options. Next, we can type in the content or question as options in the Value field. We can select the color for the options with this color button beside the Value field. We can add many options in the drop-down menu list. And next, we need to click Done to save the changes. Now, to confirm adding drop-down menu, you can see here, we can click and select the options from the drop-down list in Google Sheets. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.